Okay, going to be doing another unboxing here. This is the Simple Woodturning Tools by Harrison Specialties. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but I just wanted you guys to be able to see what's inside the box. Now, this is their larger kit. As you can see, I haven't got it all the way out yet. I just popped the box open so we can look in it together. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbide with a variety of nose angles on each one. You've got the information specific to how to treat your tools. Let's see what else is in here. Their card. Okay, that's cool. Nice little notepad. Handle. Feels pretty substantial. There's the grub screws that hold onto the base of these. The base of each one looks like it's got a flat spot here, another little flat spot here. There's the Allen wrench for putting the tools on and off. There you go. It's a nice hollowing tool for hogging out material really quick. Perfectly smooth on the bottom. Let's look at this. Now this one, I have to admit, I did get this one out to take a hard look at it and get it stuck in the tool handle. Nice shape. And I think this is going to work great. Alright. S55D. Let's look at this guy. Diamond. I like the screw that they're using now. The last one was not as nice as this. Another flat circular shape. That tool I love. That is the STH. Let's do the S90D. This is also a wonderful tool, and I like the fact that they've numbered these on the tips of each one. Alright. And last, square end. And it puts the SR. So that is the Simple system. This is actually a pretty darn good tool. I already had one of these. I bought the set of 4. We got this one for a buddy, and I wanted to show you what the larger tool set looked like. Any questions? Just let me know in the comments what you think of these if you've had them. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe.